I feel that there may be times during a project when having a large and cumbersome tool is not the best approach. After all, you may find it too difficult to hold, or it's too heavy, and that's not conducive to completing your project. A circular saw can be one of those tools, and if a circular saw is difficult to grasp, then you simply increase the chances of your cuts going offline and not getting the desired results. However, there's a solution, and it's a great one. There are many products available to choose from, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews of customers, and compiled a list of the best compact circular saws from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Rockwell RK3441K. If you prefer your power tool to come with a cord, then this model by Rockwell is certainly one I would recommend for a compact circular saw. First, I feel it has more than enough power for a tool of this size of 5 amp, and it does throw out blade speeds of some 3,500 RPM. Talking of the blade, it measures some 4.5, so it does undoubtedly qualify as a compact circular saw. However, even with this smaller blade, the cutting depth of this model is pretty impressive, as it comes in just shy of 2. That does mean this tool makes the most out of the blade, and I feel that it opens up this tool to be used with more and more projects. But this model also comes with a laser guide, and that does increase the accuracy of your cuts. It also allows you to cut at a bevel angle of up to 45 degrees, and you get a reasonable cutting depth. Number 2. Works WX429 liters. I love this saw by Works, not just because it weighs not much more than 4 pounds. Instead, I appreciate the size and its capabilities with this 4.5 blade capable of cutting through 2x4 and thin plywood with relative ease. It does throw up speeds of 3,500 RPM, and that's impressive because it only has a 4 amp motor. Also, this model provides you with a bevel capacity of 45 degrees, and for a compact circular saw, that's perfectly fine. You should also find that this saw can cut through more than just wood. It can also do a decent job of cutting plastic and even tiles. Number 3. TEKLIFE TCS 115 8-corded compact mini saw. While this brand may not be the first one you think of, I believe that's a huge mistake, as this compact circular saw is one of the best around when it comes to versatility. First, you get a total of 6 blades with this model, which varies slightly in size, with the largest measuring 4 3/4. However, the most significant variation is with the materials you can cut with the blades, so this tool is not restricted to only working on that 2x4. You see, this model can cut through various types of wood along with plastic and also soft metals. I think that's excellent, and it does make you think about everything that this saw is capable of doing. I also feel that the cutting depth at 90 degrees is impressive, as it's close to 1 3/4, while it only drops to 1 when you move the bevel angle to 45 degrees. Talking of the bevel angle, I find this model easy to operate, and everything locks into place, so you have nothing to worry about. This ease of use is something I always appreciate with a tool, and that ease starts off with the overall design and build of this saw. Number 4. TEKPO TAMS25P Compact Circular Saw. If you need more of a heavy-duty compact circular saw, then I suggest checking out this model by TEKPO. Sure, it weighs slightly more than most on the market at just over 5 pounds, but I don't see this as a train smash. This model still comes with a standard blade size of 4.5 and offers a decent cutting depth of 1 11/16, so I have no complaints. Also, the speed of 3,500 RPM should mean it makes quick work of most materials. But that's not the reason why I selected this tool. Instead, it's the construction of this tool that makes it stand out. This model comes with an iron base along with an aluminum cover. That does mean this tool can withstand a lot of punishment, and then there's the motor. The motor on this model is a copper-clad aluminum motor. It's not going to burn out or break down as quickly as other options, so you feel you can push this saw harder than others and get the desired results. Number 5. SCALAX Pro 97630. Finally, if you prefer a cordless power tool, I suggest checking out this SCALAX Pro model. I know some people have perhaps not even heard of this brand, but this compact circular saw is a fantastic example of what's possible with a cordless version. With this model, you get a 4.5 blade, and that's the average size for this type of power tool. Also, it comes with a 5.8 amp motor, and that's one of the most powerful on the market for this type of compact circular saw. But surprisingly, the motor only results in speeds of up to 3,400 RPM, slightly below what you may expect. However, I don't see this as bad simply because you can still generate fantastic results. I love this model, though, because it can easily cut through various materials. Even PVC piping stands no chance in resisting this particular tool, as it makes short work of cutting through. For cutting depth, you are looking at 1 11/16 at 90 degrees before it drops to 1 when you change the bevel angle to 45 degrees. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.